This L-citruilline is found in the red part of the watermelon, but majority of it is in the white part of the watermelon. So let me show you how to get it. Guys, let's look at the statistics. According to the research, 3 to 7 minutes is the normal average time in terms of sex. I mean, we can decide to go longer than that. We should be around 10 to 30 minutes. There are questions I keep asking myself, I keep asking my friends, and I want to ask you people. I mean, what's the real problem? Is it that we just don't like how long we last? Or two, our partners are pushing us so hard? Or possibly, which is what I surely believe, we've invested so much, we've spent so much on that girl, and we just want our money back. Anyways, I'm not here to determine which time is best for you. I always say that the best time is the one that leaves you and your partner satisfied with no health issues. So if you can go for 30 minutes and you guys are fine, perfect. If another person can go for 2 minutes and he's fine, his partner is fine, no problem. But honestly, please, I want all of us to go beyond 2 minutes because we've spent so much, we've invested so much. So today, let's talk about solutions. Let's talk about drugs, a particular fruit, and some lifestyle changes that can help us to solve our problems. Do you know that watermelon contains an ingredient that can improve blood flow to our penis? Yes, it works just like those Sildenafil, Tadalafil, I mean the Viagra, the Comet, the Erection, the Drleøn tablet, and all that. This L-citruilline is found in the red part of the watermelon, but majority of it is in the white part of the watermelon. So let me show you how to get it. Please listen. You get a big size watermelon and then you cut it into 5 equal parts. Every day you take one piece of the 5 equal parts. So you take 1 piece of the 5 equal parts and then you only take up the green part of it. You take up the green part, you'll be left with the white and the red part. You cut the white and the red part into smaller pieces and then you blend it into a juice. That juice will give you about 2 grams of the L-citruilline. That's the ingredient I'm talking about. When this L-citruilline gets into your body, it is converted to nitric oxide. And nitric oxide boosts blood flow to our penis and cause stronger erections. But here's the trick. To get enough of the L-citruilline in your blood, you have to add vitamin C supplementation. The vitamin C will improve the absorption of the L-citruilline into the blood. And I can assure you that if you do this consistently for at least a month, you start to notice that your weaker erections are becoming stronger. They work just like the blue pill. I mean the Sildenafil, the Tadalafil, which is found in Viagra, Erection, Comet, Drleøn tablets, and all that. You know them. People actually take these pills to last longer, but those pills are actually made for you to get stronger erection. But I understand. I mean, for some people, the reason why they are releasing so fast is because they know themselves that they can't sustain their erection. So they just want to release fast and then go. But if you want to get the best result of that blue pills or those kind of medication, I have already done this full video on that to get the best result with minimal side effects. So after this whole video, please check it out. And now let's talk about the delay sprays, which is something that is actually recommended to help you last longer. I know there is a bad notion about this one. I mean, people think it's wrong to use it. But just like any other medication, there is only a problem if you don't follow the instructions that has been given to you or if you use them too often. Some of these sprays include Drleøn spray, Ima spray, Tiger spray. I know you know them. For the purpose of this video, I'll use Drleøn spray, which I'll use this to represent Drleøn spray to show you how best you can use them. So let's say if this is your Drleøn spray and then this is your destin. The other video I use a wood and people are talking about it and I know this is sizable. So if this is your Drleøn spray, this is how you go about it. You spray 2 on the tip or on the head of your destin and then one spray on the shaft of your penis. And then you wait for 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry up and for it to be absorbed. Then you wipe off any residue that will be left before you penetrate or before you pick the section. So these kinds of spray, they contain local anesthetics, normally lidocaine or benzocaine. And what the lidocaine or benzocaine does is they numb the nerves around your penis, or they make the tip less sensitive so that you can last longer or so that you can control your ejaculation. Please, this instruction is per dragon spray. For whatever product that you get, you have to make sure to check the instruction or to ask your pharmacist on how best to use it. And it's not wrong. It's not wrong to use some of these medication or delay spray. There shouldn't be any problem if you follow the instructions or if you stay within the safe limits. You can actually use the delay spray in combination with the squeeze technique, the one that I talked about in the previous video, so that we can get our money back. We spent so much, we've invested so much in these ladies. Guys, this Christmas, I know we will do more things, but please, let's stay safe. If you want me to discuss anything that can help us perform well, please drop it in the comment section and I will do just that. But for now, I'm out.